How to translate your PowerPoint presentation into another language. So go on to your PowerPoint and open it up. On the bottom, press the subtitle caption area. And now it's listening to you speak and it'll write out the words. It's pretty accurate, but there will be some mistakes, but it's better than nothing. So right now it's in English. Press the three dots. Go to subtitle settings. You can choose where you want it. So I normally like it at the bottom, but you can put it on the top or anywhere you want that you think is easier. Go on to more settings. And now you can choose your language. So right now it's on English. You have a bunch of languages. It doesn't have every single language. For example, it doesn't have Swahili or Zulu, but the majority of it is there. Obviously, grammar-wise, if you choose something like maybe Russian, the language is a bit longer. So right now, if I speak Russian, it might take longer for a student or audience to read because the sentence structure is longer. If you choose something like Korean, it's written backwards. So it would pop up differently and it would take a little bit longer for them to process the language. So if we read this for an example, how many times have you taken a lovely evening stroll down your street only to end up standing in some dog's mess? Too many times. Like you, I cannot stand dogs, and it is up to us to make a stand against all the people who have dogs. Dogs smell, dogs are unclean, and dogs destroy your home. So you can see the speed of the typing. It's quite quick. Well, it's slow, but it changes very quickly. So for some people it might be hard to understand. Let's do another one more example. So I've already got people who have double checked these languages. Not every single one, but they've said it's pretty accurate and it's pretty good. Let's do Spanish. What is the point in keeping a dog anyway? They can destroy almost anything with their sharp, menacing teeth. They especially enjoy eating your favorite Nike trainers, ripping your clothes to shreds, and leaving dog hair all over your brand new sofa. They do not care that you have spent loads of money on them, taking them to the vets, feeding them every day, and spending all that time playing with them. When you buy them a new toy, how do they thank you? They bury it in your garden. And who is the one who will get into trouble when he digs up your dad's favorite flowers? You are. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.